Installation Mysqldump. I use Linux Ubuntu. I try to copy DB and type some Mysqldump command. But at terminal show how to get Mysqldump for my PC. I've tried to follow the instruction, but show like below.
How about doing what was printed on the terminal? Or pick the right version based on what's installed on your machine.
Install the MySQL client package. In a terminal, try the command sudo apt-get install MySQL client 5.1. I would have thought that the message you got was clear enough, really.
Looks like you need to change the mirror repository. Follow the steps mentioned in this tutorial. After changing it, you can use the commands mentioned by Akira.
For CentOS, Red Hat and Fedora install.
Keyboard jail, das ist ein Lines sein.